Hello everyone. Today is 5 October 2021. Today's Viva topic is super keyword in Java. Before start our Viva topic, I am going to introduce myself. My name is Gajan Hanman Survase. I am from Usmanabad. I have completed Bachelor of Engineering in Pune University in Mechanical branch. So we will return to our Viva topic. So what is super keyword in Java? So super keyword in Java is a reference variable which is used to refer immediate parent class object. Then whenever you create the instance of subclass and instance of parent class is created, which is referred by super reference variable. Then we will see about uses of Java super keyword. Uh, Java super keyword is used to refer immediate parent class, immediate parent class instance variable. Then second is super keyword can be used to invoke immediate parent class method. Then third is super keyword can be used to invoke immediate parent class constructor. Then super keyword is used to refer immediate parent class instance variable. We can use super keyword to access the data member or field of parent class. It is used if parent class and child class have same field. We will see about example of super keyword. There is class of anyone. Then string color, that is color is white. Then class dog extend to animal. Then string color, that is color is black. Void print color. Then sysout color prints color of dog class. Sysout println super dot color prints color of animal class. Then class test super one public static void main string argument dog d is equal to new dog d dot print dog color method end. In above example, animal and dog both classes have a common property color. If we print color property, it will print the color of current class by default. To access the parent property, we need to use super keyword. Then we will say about super can be used to invoke parent class method. The super keyword can also be used to invoke parent class method. It should be used if subclass contains the same method as parent class. In other words, it is used if method is overridden. Then super is used to invoke parent class constructor. The super keyword can also be used to invoke the parent class constructor. Then we will say about the example of parent class constructor. There is a class of animal sysout println animal is created. Then class dog extend to animal. Then dog super sysout dog is created. Class test super 3 public static void main string argument. Then dog d is equal to new dog method is over. As we know that default constructor is provided by compiler automatically. If there is no constructor, but it also adds super as the first statement. Then the super keyword in Java is a reference variable that is used to refer parent class objects. The keyword super came into the picture with the concept of inheritance. It is a majorly majorly used in the superclass. The use of super with variables. The scenario occurs uh, when when derived class and base class had same data members. In that case, there is a possibility of for the JVM. We can understand it more clearly using this code. Then we will see use of super with example. This is used when we want to call parent class method. So whenever a parent and child class have same named methods, then to resolve we use super keyword. Then use of super with constructors. Super keyword can also be used to access the parent class constructor. One more important thing is that super can both parameters, parametric as well as non-parametric constructors, which is depending on upon the situation. Then then we will say about important points on super keyword. Call to user must be first statement in derived class constructors. If constructors does not invoke a superclass constructor, the Java compiler automatically inserts a call to the non-argument constructor of the superclass. If the superclass does not have a no argument, we will get a compile time error. Object does not have such constructors. So if object is the only superclass, there is no problem. If superclass constructors invokes constructors of its superclass, either you may think that whole chain of constructors called all the way back to the constructor of object. The article is contributed by sorry. The super keyword refers to the object of immediate parent class. Before so that you can understand examples given in following. The use of super keywords to access the data member of parent class when both parent and child class have member with same name. Then to explicitly call the non-argument and parameterized constructor of parent class. To access the method of parent class when child class overridden that method. When you have a variable in child class which is already present in the parent class, then the order to access the variable of parent class you need to use of super keyword. So it is all about super keyword in Java. Thank you.